guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a quick little, like, I guess craft with me. You guys saw me haul. I'm gonna insert a photo because I didn't realize I wasn't recording right when, yeah, it was too late already. It's these Jen half-filled, they're 7 wooden stickers. And I did buy them to alter them for Halloween. So all that I did oops, I seriously have stuff just like plowing over my desk. All I did was paint the inside of the frames black. I was going to distress the outside and I realized that the brown, it does go with Halloween. You know, I can do the Halloween with it. I do want to go ahead and paint. I was going to leave it like this, like it was its own embellishment, still on the packaging because these are stickers. So they're on there like that. So I thought it'd be cool, oops, if I just leave them on here. Oh, I'm going to have to do several coats of this bad boy. I don't want to bless our nest. It's going to be creepy looking, so ain't no blessings there. Let's see here. So those are decorated. Okay, so I wanted to use some of my stuff from Michael's. Like, I feel like I need to use it. Like, I've been obsessed with it. First I made the swans. Now I want to make this stuff. So I'm just going to, I was like brainstorming in my head. I'm going to use this behind. So the 99-cent only store have these bag of bones, and I've never seen anybody, I mean, I am behind on videos, but I've never seen anybody haul them. They're like, I cut that one. They're like charms, basically. See how that has like a hole and you can dangle it as a charm, and it's already taken apart, like the legs. And these are like a plastic, it has holes in the back. You can easily make that a charm. What else? Here's the like pelvic bone and the spine. So all sorts of, and then this plastic one I had cut apart. I cut it in half because it's like a really thin plastic you could easily manipulate, you know? And then I'm going to use my Tim Holtz. These are the Occasion Small Talk. I'm going to use the white version. Just testing it out. Just used my reptile glue and stuck some on the back of the sticker to make it like a little bunting flag, because stickers won't stick to glitter paper, you know? So I think I'm gonna add black stitching to this to bring it to the next level. So I just did like a little stitch on the top. I didn't stitch all the way around the sticker. So just a little bit of stitching to add a little something. And then, let's see, where am I gonna add? Like, I want to just do it like in the corner, and then I can always trim off the rest. You know what? I'm going to have to take them off this thing because the embellishments are kind of going to overlap on each other. So I'm going to take them off. I'm going to have to. I don't have a choice. So like this. Happy haunting. And then I wanted to do like bones on here. Kind of like in the corner, and then stick this little word. I could always puff it up on stuff. It could be super creepy. I'm gonna trim this. I'm gonna do some back surgery. I just trimmed it a little bit because it's not gonna, I don't want it too big. Some of my dollar store foam to pop this sucker up. But before I put that down, I'm gonna have to glue the lace, I guess, whatever this stuff is. Just enough. Like so. My little bone in the corner. I wonder, I don't think hot glue works well with this type of plastic, so I'm going to use my Fabri-Tac for this bad boy. It on all the spine. I'm gonna glue it kind of in the corner. Pull it down for a second because this does not dry as fast as hot glue, you guys. I feel like it's missing something. Let's see. This is too long. I'm gonna have to cut that or tuck it before I. Like that. Oh, you know what? Let's add some. Ooh. I'm gonna just hold this down in the meantime with some clips. So while that's staying there, let's add some trim. I do have a bucket of ribbon. Where'd it go? Oh, let's do the gold and black and stripe like I already did one of my embellishments. I had already posted on my Insta. Yes, let's totally add like a little like flag. So I'm just gonna cut them at an angle. Whoa. Okay, so I want it like that. I'm just gonna put a little bit of a glue to keep this like gold one from going all over the place. So, and then I'm gonna unstick this sticker part on here. I want the flags hanging out a little bit. Okay, and then I'm gonna trim off back. There we go. That's a little something something. Oh, I want this under the spine. Okay, perfect. Loving that extra detail of fabric. Just brought that little plain orange bunting to the next level. Look how cute. I am going to trim, or should I just leave it like this? Like super sloppy like that. Maybe I could trim it up a little bit. Okay, so I trimmed it up just a smidge. So it's not like cray-cray. I'll probably add enamel dots or maybe like sequins or something. But how cute is that, you guys? Thank you, Jen Hatfield. Okay, this guy, if I speed this process up, like look at this cute little leg. Like so. Look how cute. Little cheap dollar store bones. Some frames. Okay, now I'm gonna do the rest and then show you guys. Okay guys, I am finished. So this is, oops, I'm gluing the spider. I went ahead and added little spiders from AliExpress. So this one says Ghost and Goblins, which I forgot to add sequins to. I'll have to. This one, little spider, little sequins. If the broom fits right, it's got the little arm. This one, the Happy Haunting, added the little sequins and a spider in the corner. I am loving the way these turned out, you guys. They're so my mind's eye-ish, even though I didn't use any paper collection. But the colors, this one, a little Spidey and some gems. Open if you dare. With the skull, I cut the skull in half. Same with the rib cage. I just cut the bulky part of the rib cage off so I could still use it because it was like this on steroids. So I was like, okay, get rid of that. No. And then this one, Rest in Peace, little sequins in the leg. I love these, and you can always add more to it. But yeah, I love the way these turned out. Don't you guys? Super cute, right? Totally turning something non-Halloween, altering it and turning it Halloween. I love that. I love that idea. See you guys on the next crafty video. Bye guys.